Hello? How you doing? Is anybody there? And who else? Give me some names. ¿Cómo se llamas? Hola. ¿Dónde es el hermano? Hermana, hermana, ¿es aquí? ¿Sí o no? What did you do today? ¿Cuántos más años usted tiene? How old are you? I heard an 8. With a deep voice. uh, what games do you like to play? Do you like television? I gotta get a new TV. It's time for me to get a new TV. What else do you like to do? How did you like the rain today? Do you like the rain? How many spirits do I have in here with me right now, besides myself? Who was that? Okay, what's your name? Rick here? Hello? How many people in this room besides me in spirit? Do you like the color green? Do you like the color red? Blue? Orange? What games do you like to play? What kind of a game is that? What kind of a game is that? How old are you? Suzanne, are you there? Susanna? Is my Susanna there? Are you here with me, Susanna? It sounds like it. Can you say your name? Do you like the rain? You like the rain? That's good. What have you been doing, Susanna? Yes, you. What have you been doing? Hi. What have you been waiting for? Now, Susanna, what you doing? Can you sing for me, Susanna? I love you, Susanna. I miss you, Susanna. Hello? Do you like the rain? It's quite active with spirits tonight, so I need you to talk alone and quiet. Yeah, I know, it's a lot. One at a time. How's it going? Is it fun outside right now in the rain? Good. What's your name? How many is here with me right now? There's me, and how many others? Sounds like you said Nintendo. There's me, and how many others are with me right here? Have one person talk and say how many people are in here with me now. $84. That sounds like too many, but I believe it. Do you like the palm tree? Do you like my Hawaiian palm tree? Do you? Yes or no? Well, you don't have to like it, but there's others that do. And it sounds like you're joking. How many like the palm tree? Give me a number. What colors are in the palm tree? What color? Does anybody have a pet animal with them right now? Do you have a dog? Or do you have a cat? What are you doing right now? One of you tell me, what are you doing? What is somebody else doing? Can you recount? I'd like to know how many is in here with me now besides me. Okay. Here comes a kitty. Do you like my cats? Here comes a kitty. Kitty of the jungle. You saw him? What did he look like? What color is that kitty that you just saw? Are you warm or cold? Okay, I'm going to turn this off. It was a very nice session. And say goodnight. It is October the 5th. Well, around 9 o'clock, 10, between 9 and 10 o'clock, October 5th, 2011. So have a good night, everybody. I'm waiting to hear good night. Come on, I want to hear a clear voice. Do better than that, come on. I want somebody to talk to me in a very clear voice. Good night. Say good night. I want to know that you can really hear me. Say good night. That was a good try. Can somebody else say good night? Me. Say good night. The words good night. Can you say good night? Good night, everybody. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for somebody to say good night. All right. This is it. Good night. Hasta la vista.